Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about safety and first aid. An accident. What is an accident? An accident may occur everywhere. It is because we don't care. If we walk on zebra crossing, both the cars are coming. If we don't see left and right, then our accident would be occurs. It's simple, yes or no? So I am telling you about safety. Do not get out of the moving bus. Some peoples get out of the moving bus. If they fall, they will get hurt. Then they will understand. We shouldn't go out of a moving bus. Don't lean against the window. If the bus is speed on 80, if you are leaning like this in window, then the bus driver can suddenly apply brakes, so this can cause injury to you. Then never do this. Do not disturb the bus driver. Some people disturb the bus driver and some children also. So I tell you, do not lean against the window. So in this case, the peoples and children disturbs the bus driver. If they want to admit the children to hospital, so they will take the children to other hospital. So we shouldn't do this. 18 years children should not given a bike to drive. 18 years children should not given a bike to drive. People don't follow this rule. Yes or no? I'm telling. So do not drive. So do not drive at 18 age. If you are up of 18, you can drive. If you are less of 18, you cannot drive. If you drive 18 years before, then the police will caught you. Understand? So do not drive 18 years. If you are down of 18 years, do not drive. I am telling you categorically, do not drive. So I am telling you, do safety at home. Do not burn matchsticks. Our two children burn matchsticks, and I understand them. Do not burn matchsticks. Then you might catch fire. You can't take the lighter of the gas. It may leak the gas and it may burn the house. So do you know, on highways speed cameras are also begin. So these are speed cameras. Okay, these are speed cameras. You mean these are speed cameras? You understand? So a vehicle is coming in fast. The speed cameras are attracted by police. If the speed camera says it is high, he is moving the vehicle higher from 80. So the police will caught them. These are the speed cameras. So you shouldn't do like this. So it's for today. Bye friends. We'll meet in next video. Like, share and subscribe. We are villagers.